How to perform dual loop DC analysis using LTSpice tool. In this tutorial, we will simulate the current voltage curve for an NPN BJT. The circuit consists of NPN BJT, the voltage source and the current source connected to the base terminal. We will start out by setting the base current to 5 microampere and sweep the collector emitter voltage from 0 to 5 volt. Let us start working on this tutorial. Click on Components. Select the NPN transistor. Place this on the schematic. Click Escape. Click on Components and select the voltage source. Place this on the schematic. Click Escape. Click on Components and select the current source. To rotate the current source, plus Ctrl plus R and place the current source on the schematic. Now click on the ground connection and place 3 ground connection in the schematic. Now join the current source to the ground. Connect the collector of NPN to the ground and the negative terminal of the voltage circuit to the ground. Now connect the current source to the base of NPN transistor and the positive terminal of V1 to the emitter of NPN. Now the circuit is completed. Let us rename I1 as IB and the value of the current source as 0, the V1 as VCE and the voltage value as 0 volt. Now let us do the label net. Type VCE and place this node between the voltage source and the NPN transistor. Now we have to define the spice analysis. Click on DC sweep. The first source, that is, name of the first source to sweep will be VCE. Type of sweep will be linear. Start value will be 0. Stop value will be 5 volt and increment of 1 millivolt. The second source will be IB. Type of sweep will be linear. Start value as 5 micro, stop value as 25 micro and increment of 5 micro. Click OK and place this on the schematic. Click on Run. Now click on the IB and you will get the current voltage source for the NPN transistor. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I request you to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.